Your body is built like a house. But what are the building materials?
These materials are called biomolecules.
There are 4 types. Today, carbohydrates and lipids. Carbohydrates are your body's favorite fuel.
Simple carbs equal 1 or 2 pearls.
Think of glucose as a single pearl. They hit fast and crash fast.
Complex carbs are like long pearl necklaces.
Your body snips them, 1 pearl at a time. Slow release, steady energy.
Fiber is different.
Your body can't cut it. So it acts like a broom, cleaning your gut. Extra glucose? Your body stores it. Stored as glycogen.
Closets full? It turns into fat.
Lipids are your savings account. They store energy for later. They cushion your organs.
And keep you warm.
Phospholipids build your cell walls.
Saturated fats have straight tails.
They stack tightly like perfect chairs.
That's why butter is solid. Unsaturated fats have bends.
They can't stack tightly.
Trans fats are forced straight.
Your body doesn't recognize them. That's why they're dangerous. Carbs equal quick fuel. Lipids equal stored power. Both are essential. Balance is everything. If carbs are fuel, proteins are the workers.
Proteins build you, repair you, run you. The building blocks are called amino acids.
Think of amino acids as beads. Link them together, you get a protein chain. But shape changes everything.
A protein's shape determines its job. Some proteins are enzymes.
They speed up chemical reactions. Without enzymes, life would be too slow. Collagen gives your skin strength. Keratin forms hair and nails.
Actin and myosin move your muscles.
Antibodies protect you.
Each one is built for a specific enemy.
But who gives the instructions? Meet DNA.
DNA is the master blueprint. Its building blocks are called nucleotides. Each nucleotide has 3 parts. Phosphate, sugar, base. The bases form pairs. A pairs with T, C pairs with G. Twist it, you get the double helix. DNA stores the instructions. RNA carries the message.
Proteins build the body.
The central dogma of life, DNA to RNA to protein. This is the process by which genetic information flows within a biological system. Each strand becomes a template. That's how life continues. Carbohydrates equals energy.
Lipids equals storage and protection.
Nucleic acids and instructions for life. 4 molecules, 1 miracle, life. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.